Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Peely from Fortnite. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started on this cute little banana. To draw Peely, we're going to first start by drawing the top of his head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve. Small little curve, and right on the bottom of this I'm going to draw another curve. So right on the bottom of it. And then I'm just going to connect the two sides and come to the top right here and just going to draw a curve and connect it. Then from there we're going to come to the edge right here and just draw a straight line down and slightly give it a curve out on both sides. Now before we finish that curve, let's come in here and we're going to draw a deeper curve. So right here, come down and out. Same thing over here. So let's work on this side first. We're going to draw the first peel that comes out a little bit. So let's bring this curve out a little bit more, about right there. And I'm going to curve outwards. And then give myself a little flap right here. So just another curve about that much. Give a little edge. And bring it back down following this curve. So right here, just come down. And when we come down, we're just kind of ending about in this area right here where the banana is going to start. So just end about right there. So let's make sense of this right here. Let's come in here and add a curve right here. A line right there. And now this edge. So then we're just going to continue and taper it off. So let's finish this curve in here now. There. So now the other side. So this one has a longer flap that comes out. So about right here, let's go up and down and bring it around and come back in and in. Kind of like drawing a little tongue that comes out. And then from there, let's make sense of that. Then come out right here. And we're just going to give an edge to our peel. So we're just going to go way around. And just tuck it in right there. And then you can just finish this off. There. Okay, so then just bring this curve out. Another curve out like that. And so now we can continue our banana. So we're just going to imagine it being overlapped, coming out, so about right here. And same thing over here. So coming out about right there. And so from here, I'm going to start to give it a little bit more angle out. And so about right there, I'll start to bring it in. And now we can draw his body coming down. So it's kind of a little bit more straight now. But before we finish the rest of his body, let's come back up here and bring him to life. So in this area where you have this curve towards the top, let's come in here and draw a big circle towards the edge. And same thing on the other side. Towards the edge. And so with Peely here, I think it was very appropriate for me to add draw so cute eyes to him. But if you don't want draw so cute eyes on Peely, just when you're coloring it, just give it 2 highlights. Just shade in this part and the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There, we have his eyes in. Now right in between the eyes, we're going to give him a sweet little smile. So right in the middle, little curve, Then add a deeper curve and connect it. And I'm going to come right up here. Just draw a slight curve above each eye. There. So cute, right? Okay, so then now let's continue the rest of his body. I'm going to start to bring this down. Say about right there, because I want to make him a little bit cuter. So I'm going to break it off about right there and start to bring it in. So I'm just going to aim towards the center. About right there. I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And then in this area right here, where the angle is, you can just add a little curve right there. Give it some details for a crease. And now let's draw his legs since we're here. So in this area right here, I'm just going to bring out a curve. We're going to make his legs very simple. And in this area, just continue down. So we're just going to get thinner as we come down. See about right there, I'll stop. And so then from right here, I'm going to add his feet. Let's come out with a curve and bring it in. So same thing on this side. Just make sure it's about the same level. Yep, I think I went down a little too low. There. Okay, so then now right here in this area, towards the edge, just draw kind of like a diamond for his knee pads. And then let's add a little line right here. Connect it, and same thing on this side. And now for his arms, we're going to come right here, kind of underneath his eye area, but right here we're going to start and just bring out a curve. And about right there, just follow that curve. And bring it down a little bit more towards his hip area. And about right there, I'll stop, and then we'll draw him in a fist. So come out, curve in. Another curve that comes out. And then this area, just bring out two angles and connect it. And just add a little line right there. So now for the other arm. So I'm just going to give myself some points. I'm going to drag 2 points across. And I'm going to start the other arm. So just curve it out. Slowly build it. So about that area. Just kind of keep measuring as you go so your one arm is not too low or too high. So then let's end about right there so we know it's about this area. So right here I'm just going to come in with a curve and another curve and the back side. And let's come in here and add a little curve. So there, I hope you guys love this Fortnite skin drawing and it inspires you to give it a try. Make sure to check out all my other Fortnite skin playlists if you guys love it. And thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.